Teach Me TV is back with another great video. It's that time of the year again. We hope all is well with you and yours. Today we are going to talk about how and what websites you can use to start creating videos. Have you noticed the difference in your feeds when strolling the web? Even here at YouTube you can scroll, watch, and browse all at once. If you haven't seen this yet, you will begin to see this everywhere. First, we want to give you some facts. Then we will share some platforms that will pay you to promote and post videos. They will go as far as paying you to watch as well. If you are ready for all that, make sure you watch this to the end. We want to make sure you understand everything so you go out and start creating and working towards your dreams. Here we go. In the most recent years, we all have seen a significant flood in video as the main vessel for producing content. One of the main reasons for this is it's viable. Most people rather watch a video than to read a sales page. A lot of advertisers say video has assisted them with expanding traffic to their site and creating leads for their business. For instance, using a video for a website's homepage can increase engagement as well as new customers by 80%. Online customers who view your video are likely almost 2 times as prone to buy than non-watchers. Video isn't going anyplace anytime soon. A recent online poll says that by 2025 web-based recordings will make up over 92% of all purchaser web traffic, multiple times higher than it is today. If the poll does not intrigue you, maybe science will? The human mind processes pictures more rapidly than text, and video stimulates more senses. In this way, you're bound to have a more grounded influence in a more limited measure of time with video than you would with some other types of content. When planning to showcasing content you need to utilize, consider the regions where video can drive you toward your long-term goals. What you want to do is this. Since you are watching this video and nodding your head because you know what we're saying here is facts. Start creating your videos on your own time. This doesn't have to be a strenuous process. Create videos about what you're doing. It's that simple. There are some links in the bio below with all you need to start creating videos. You already have the camera on your phone. When you start making more money, you can buy a better camera. So next I'm going to show you some video uploading sites where you can put the final touches to your video to make it more appealing to your viewers. But if you don't want to do all this, there is a great video editor that will put all the finishes that you want on your video to get it ready to publish. The links are in the bio. So, we hope by now you have a better understanding of what you can do, and how you can get a piece of this exploding industry. It doesn't just stop there at video creation. Graphic design, web design, digital marketing.
I could go on forever, baby.
A few more websites below for getting paid for watching videos. We hope you have gotten tremendous value from watching today. If so, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell to receive updates on when we drop another video. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.